That's my daddy.
Oh, shoot.
That's my daddy.
Stop by my daddy's house. I don't know where he's at.
That's
some
my daddy.
old pictures.
Right over
Camping.
there.
Not trying to give away my secrets, but a lot of fun camping.
He's the one who taught me how to shoot.
Reminisce a little bit.
How to wear my cowboy boots. That's my daddy right over there. That's my
What am I talking
daddy.
about? You.
That's my daddy.
That hurt a lot.
That's my daddy.
Rides there weren't too good either.
Over there.
Huh. Shows you right there.
He's the one
What I'm talking about.
who taught me
That's how we got camping.
how to wear
Drinking
my
my
cowboy
original
boots.
formula. Grandpa's
That's my daddy
creamer.
right over
That's right.
there.
One that started it. Hey, Grandpa. You. Anyways, that's me right before I went camping. Coming out of the community shower. Anyways, good times. Good times camping.
20 minutes later.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Dirt Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Dirt Shady?
1 hour later.
The hardest part of camping
Daddy,
is getting to
You there yet?
our destination.
are we stopping again?
My
Daddy.
dumbass kid
Daddy.
sitting in the
It's the capital
back.
of Arizona. Daddy,
I think Smart
Oh, yeah.
skipped
Is this
a
New Mexico?
generation.
Daddy,
Oh, for Chris' sake, Dirk. Just
Daddy.
be patient,
tired of talking? Daddy,
or I'm leaving your
Anyways.
dumbass at the next station.
sometimes I
Don't
just sit here
cry,
in the
Daddy.
back seat.
Don't sing
Hey.
the blues.
You there yet?
6 hours later.
How much longer, Daddy? Daddy. What state are we in? It's the capital of California. Daddy, why are we stopping again? Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. You're not talking to me. You haven't said anything and this is the gas station. We're almost there. Anyways, the sky's blue. Anyways, Daddy, Daddy. If cows have nipples, you get milk out of them. Can you milk me?
Two hours later.
Daddy, shoot, I gotta go pee. Daddy, I gotta pee. Anyways, shoot, let me run around, Daddy. Come on, we're on the roof. Anyways, love camping. Daddy, shoot. Checking. Anyways. Wee-wee. A lot of work being on vacation. My favorite part. Daddy? Gotta go pee. Daddy? Daddy? Shoot. Gotta go pee. Daddy? Daddy? Shoot. I gotta go pee. Daddy? Shoot. I gotta go pee.
Several days later.
All my life, my daddy's
Give me a
been
ticket.
an
Daddy.
outdoor kind of
Gotta go
man.
pee. You!
He says he fought
What we're doing, Daddy?
in the war
Daddy.
long before
It's littering.
Vietnam. When I was just a little kid, we'd
on.
go camping
Anyways,
every summer.
love camping, people.
Getting there was the
camping.
funnest part. Going home was a bummer.
Hey, wait a minute. Eddie! How come we're back home? Ah, shoot. What happened to camping? Anyways. Huge. Love camping. Kind of dizzy from the exhaust fumes. A little bit.
Welcome to Dirkville, more like a circle jerk.
1 hour later. later.
Dirtville, where nothing
Eddie.
seems to work.
I don't have to pee anymore.